Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to change units. So as example, you can go to document. Now if you want to change units in this document, you can click these three line icons beside Onshape. You can click and then choose workspace units. Now you can set for length units in it. Like I will set into inch, and angle you can set into different units like degree or radians. And for mechanical, click after this option. And if you're done, you can click this check icon. So the workspace will be automatically set into inch. You can change again by clicking this three lines icon. Go to workspace unit, and then you can set like into default into millimeter. Click OK again. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial, how to change units. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.